Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we have a guest here. And as you can see, I already have makeup on. So we're gonna be doing a Halloween look. We're gonna do a spider look. But instead of me doing his makeup and my makeup, I'm gonna do my makeup and he's gonna kind of copy what I'm doing as I'm doing it. I'm gonna explain to him what he needs to do. I got this idea because Nicole Guerrero did it with her boyfriend. So I thought it would be fun to do, and I don't feel like doing his makeup and my makeup because I'm lazy. And Halloween is literally like next Thursday. Well, probably by the time you see this, today is Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Wow.
Okay, so I don't really have a plan for exactly how I want to do this. But I mean, like, that's pretty usual.
Wasting all the film doing
You
this.
wasting the film.
Wasting all the
I
film
tried to get
doing
everything
this.
ready, and then you aggravated me. And I forgot.
So while we wait for her to do whatever she's doing, let's talk about how I was sitting there, right? I was supposed to be cutting the rings off of these little things.
Ooh. Did they see it?
I was supposed to be cutting the rings off of these little guys right here. Like for the look. I have this problem going on with my hands and my arms and all this good stuff. So I was trying to cut it. My hand started hurting. So I was taking a brief intermission. And then she was getting aggravated because
It
her
wasn't a
setup,
brief information.
her setup wasn't up. Like she wanted to be up all the time. She was tired of setting it up. So she was yelling at me. I didn't even do nothing.
Never do it. That's the problem.
Exactly. I don't do anything.
You always lying. Oh my God.
Alright, this is where we're gonna start. Now that we're 5 minutes in, we're gonna take Mayron's liquid latex. So you're gonna dip it in. We're gonna make like a that.
like that.
Whatever. Doesn't matter. I'm just gonna make a line. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be squiggly. Ballpark it.
A little bit squiggly. Down to where?
Just
All the way down to my mouth like that?
yeah, you can go all the way down. You can go to as close as you want to your mouth. It doesn't have to exactly.
How's that?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm lit. I don't know what I'm doing.
You're gonna take
Helayna.
the strip and you're gonna go like that. Put it on, okay? You both do the same thing.
Talk to me, baby.
Take it more.
Oh. I just want everybody in the world to know who's watching this video that she didn't even let me eat before we started doing this, so I'm starving right now. I hope you can hear my stomach growling on camera. She doesn't feed me.
That's your favorite thing to tell people. Don't be whispering because they can't hear you. Jesus Christ.
Jesus God. Love you, God.
Put on! Put armor on God! Jesus Christ! We love you, God! So we do it for God! Jesus Christ! Belt of truth! Jesus Christ! So we do it for we love you, God!
Don't be coming over here
You
trying to
have
help
to
me.
do these
Don't
sides.
be coming over here.
You're not doing the sides.
Don't
They
be
have to
coming
go
over here
down.
messing up perfection.
I'm not messing up. You messed it up. Let me use it. I already redunked it.
Messing up perfection. What I tell you? You over here messing up perfection.
My hand's shaking.
Mm-hmm. Get out of here.
Let me help.
No. Get out my mirror, son.
It made me mess up.
What are you doing?
I need to use the mirror.
Conjoined twins.
Oh my goodness. Just taking a stippling brush. I'm gonna wet it. We're gonna use the Snazaroo palette. It's a water activated palette. I would show it, but just too much work to pick it up. I use it in every video. Go look at another video if you want to see what it looks like.
Laziness.
So what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna just do a little bit so you can see.
Oh boy. She messed up.
I would glue your eyebrows down, but I don't have to because you don't have eyebrows.
My eyebrows are perfect. vivacious.
You get so mad when I say stuff about your
My eyebrows are flawless.
Okay,
You know
now
what I'm
just
saying?
fill all that in. Just like
What, my skull?
all
I'm gonna
that.
fill my head in?
Stop it.
Well, you told me to do it.
Okay, but then I was gonna go do something and you snatched it from me.
I'm just painting like this.
I'm like, because I can't figure out how to angle
Make
it.
up your mind. Yo, you ever watch Jackie Chan Adventures, the cartoon version?
Yeah, I think so.
Remember the grandfather? Remember what
When he
used to
turns
say?
into a dragon?
Oh, that's Jake Long.
I don't know what you're talking about then.
Jackie Chan doesn't turn into a dragon.
I know, but that was the only thing I thought of.
Well, anyway, on the Jackie Chan Adventures, right? It was like a cartoon, and it was actually Jackie Chan. There's a character on there, old man. He called him, I think it was Uncle. And he used to always make this potion or whatever. Yeah, I used to think that was the funniest thing when he started doing that.
Why?
Because it's hilarious. That's not funny words?
I guess it is. Like stick it on. So if you need
So
to
the
add,
white pot?
if you need to add more, so it's not so dry, or what we could do is take a little bit of liquid latex, so it sticks onto the liquid latex. Do you use scissors? It should stick.
Is it supposed to look like a cloud? Or-
No, it needs to look like a spider web.
So I should stretch it out.
Yeah.
Yo, you look like a clown. What the heck?
It's a cloud.
I'm a happy cloud.
It's okay, because I can just.
See how she disrespected?
I can fix it.
See how she disrespected my craft? Oh, mine is messed up. Look at all the white stuff. Why you didn't tell me that was there? You didn't even tell me it was clumping up like that. What am I supposed to do with that
Just
now?
put some over it. Go hide it with us.
Whatever, I don't care. It's lit.
So what you're gonna do now is take the liquid latex and put it on the bottoms of these. Press it to wherever you want it to go. You don't have to put it in the same spot as me. Just wherever you want it to go.
It's lit.
Why y'all look better than that?
It doesn't.
So look at my spider looks stupid. It's hanging on. His feet's supposed to look like it's down and it's up.
Yo, imagine we're doing this, right? And then we go to turn like this, and then you see a real spider come. That would be crazy.
Okay, you can just add another one, or if you want to just keep the one, I'm gonna add another one.
Hey, these spiders is different. So crazy.
See, mine was the stupid one. That's why it didn't look right. No, this is not the same one as yours. That's why I didn't go on.
It's not even a spider. It's like an ant. Look at it. This
Yeah,
doesn't look
that's what's on my face right now.
right. It's the
That's
cheap.
why it didn't look right.
It's the cheap one. Oh my goodness. I'm not using the cheap one.
You're annoying.
You know what? Just shove it somewhere else.
Yeah, you can put it where you want to hide your mistakes.
I don't make mistakes. Ever.
Alright, so now what we're gonna do
You
is,
feel me?
look, we're gonna make a hole.
Yo, you stabbing your face?
No,
What are you doing?
I'm not. I'm gonna make a hole.
That looks dangerous, boy.
It is.
That looks crazy what you're doing right now.
Look at a hole.
Oh, you make a hole and then like cut it up?
Yeah.
Oh, that's lit.
Okay, you can go.
Go up.
Yes.
I'm scared. I need a mirror because it's gonna take me a long time.
Looks like a vagina.
Just so I need space.
I could have just stabbed myself
Good.
in the
I
face.
wish you did so you can understand that I need space.
When you hit the joint,
So I'm taking the
it already
Morphe,
does look like a wound.
the Morphe
Uh,
35 original matte. Take some like brown, red, and you're just gonna go inside like this. Oh, actually, no, we can do before we do that. We're gonna take black from this Nazareth palette. You're gonna go in the middle, the black.
like on my cheek.
Yeah,
I thought about it.
I know. You
And
pulled
I
it.
was like,
You pulled away.
She wants that.
So now you're gonna take the brown and then just kind of go over it. Now we're gonna go. Now just go to a lighter brown. Now put it all on like the parts that are white. This is the Mayron coagulated blood. just gonna take some of the blood. I'm gonna put it on here. When you're doing it, look. Your arm and then slowly.
Oh, you took all the good spices, you punk.
No.
Played me.
I didn't take
Played
the
me.
good ones.
Played me. Took all the good ones.
We're gonna use those
Played
two.
me.
That's for
No, I
your,
don't
those
care.
two are for your hair.
No. If you wanna play, you played me.
Now make it look like it's coming out. So like its face needs to be facing away from the wound, not towards the wound. Hope you gotta press it down, you gotta hold it. And just give it a couple seconds for it to dry.
Extra white.
Okay, just hold it there. Let me do mine. Start taking blood and putting it around that way. I'm just gonna take a red lipstick.
No, I need a mirror.
No, you don't. You do it the wrong.
Huh?
Shut up.
Oh, you're just going all out, huh? Trying to outdo me out here. I don't think so.
Wow.
Oh. Oh.
Hanging off your foreheads.
The whole bed out here. You talking about?
Where? This stuff is so annoying. Alright
I gotta
guys,
practice.
well, we're not there yet. This is the completed look. I really hope you guys like it. Look at me. Let me see the lip side.
Fabulous, darling.
I was gonna do like eyeshadow and stuff, but I kind of really want to keep it like a simple, where it's like I'm simple, him simple. Shut up! I don't care if I'm lazy. I'm lazy. I'm pregnant. I'm lazy. I don't care. That's all we have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. And you can follow us at our social medias that'll be listed down below. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks again for watching and happy Halloween. Stop it. Alright, we're gonna stop. No, you're gonna mess it up. I told you we're gonna mess it up.
Oh, dang. Can we just wait? Will you
For
wait?
what?
There's another way. There's tweezers in the bathroom.
That's not gonna work.
I can't do it. I can't do it. Press, 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 press. Else you don't need no press.